What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to export while you are editing. That's right, you can edit and continue to work on the project or work on a new project while in Premiere Pro by using Media Encoder. So say you have a project that you just finished and you are ready to export. All you have to do is set an in point at the beginning and set an out point by clicking O at the end, and make sure you select your entire timeline, click Control M, and this will bring up the export window. Now typically you set your output name, where you want to output it, all your settings, all that fun stuff, and then you click export. Now, if you have a long video, like 10 minutes long, it might take 10 to 30 minutes to render depending on how many effects you use. But if you click the Q button, it will actually add it to Adobe Media Encoder. Now it's going to open up that video inside Adobe Media Encoder, and all you have to do is select your output file. Where do you want to output this to? So I'm just going to put it to my downloads, and then you can set your format, which is typically H.264, and this window is going to be the same as it would be in Premiere Pro. So just set your settings and click OK. Now all you have to do is click this play button, and that will begin to export that video. The fun thing is now we can minimize that and go back into Premiere Pro, and we can either right click on our project and click duplicate, and we can change the naming instead of V1 to V2. So now if we double click on that V2 project, we can start to manipulate this project and change it around in case we want to have a different version or just do a different variation of things. Now, if you don't have a lot of RAM on your computer, this might not be the best bet for you, but it is great for when you're working on, let's say, interview footage or anything, and you have a ton of footage to go through. You can quickly and easily keep working on that project while your video is exporting in the background. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please let me know down below. I want to make faster videos because, one, they're quick and easy, and I feel like there's a ton of little tips that I can show you guys, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Peace.